So I'm just gonna use up the onion before I can always get the, because I just use up the onion in this one. I think that one I just grab some noodle if I so that I don't get like mushy, the noodle. So separate the noodle. And then what else? I think I need to get some soy sauce, guys. Yes. I got this Kikkoman soy sauce and oyster sauce. I just put a medium heat, guys. Maybe I just put the chicken breast. Then let's put the chunkier here a little bit so it color up. And then I'm just gonna add some of the carrots again later. So put some salt. Some garlic powder. I'm just gonna add this one a little again. I have this olive oil. I'm just gonna add a little olive oil, guys. Just gonna add the orange later, the carrots, shredded carrots. Noodles. Here's the soup. Let's put it in. Just using this. I got this from the thrift store, guys. It's like brand new yet, nobody use it. So I've been buying a lot of spatula, guys, because back then my spatula is like broken. I'm just gonna add a little soy sauce. It's hard to get it here. That's oyster sauce. And I'm just gonna put the soap. Just keep adding stuff. See you later.